This 2023 Jayco Jay Flight 195RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 21 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, air conditioning, spare tire kit, microwave, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Jayco Jay Flight 195RB is 3,100 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.